Alright, YouTube. This is just a quick little review of this. I believe it's Paragon Theater Pop 4. A little dirty because I've been using it a lot. About a year old. Actually, I picked it up pretty cheap. It's got, I don't know if you can see that, but up underneath there is a coil that heats up. That's underneath the base here, and that actually heats it up pretty hot to the touch. I mean, you touch it, it's warm. This light don't do much other than light it up and give it a little function, make it look, kind of cool. But obviously the old maid's drawer right here. It's the model TP-4. It's 120 volt. Let's see, 120 volt system here, and 1200 watt. Made right here in America. Where all the parts came from, don't know, but it was assembled. But anyway, let's give it a quick whirl here. Alright, let me get this thing set up, and we'll come back and we'll see it popping, see how it works. I really enjoy it. It's a really nice machine. Like I said, I mean, it's got to set up in my basement here. So, like I said, I mean, it's a pretty big machine. A lot bigger than some of the cheap ones you see, in Sam's Club or Walmart, stuff like that. So, be right back in about 2 minutes. I'll get everything loaded up in there and take a look at it. All right, YouTube, got this thing loaded up. It's been going for about 2.5 minutes. Just take a look inside here. Put it too close, it'll steam up. But anyway, there she is right there. She's been going for a little bit. I didn't put a full batch in, so I have to look to see. But it's just me. Don't really need to put a ton in. But when I'm doing it, I usually leave this bottom part open here and leave this gap just a little bit to kind of let some of the smell come out. I actually had a little fun putting this thing together myself. You can see a stand and it looks like it's right on, but it's notched out on top here. These pieces of wood are set in from the bottom. And, it's sitting flush with the metal, so it ain't going to slide around. Same with this bottom piece right here. Like I said, everything I welded everything and then grinded it down, made it look really pretty. I guess some of the next steps on this sand is I'm going to wrap it in probably some sheet metal, paint it red, put a door on the front. And like I said, this is a stand I just homemade. I wanted it all kind of streamlined, nice and straight right down the machine, and that's what I got. But like I said, it's every bit of that's welded. I hear the popcorn right now. It's starting to work. She'll be starting to boil over here in a minute. But we'll take a look here. She should be coming out in a second. But this machine's great to have. I mean, it costs a few hundred, but I kind of bought one and sold it for a little bit more. Bought another, sold it for a little bit more, and I ended up having enough there. I said, I'll buy the one I really want now, which is this one. And I don't really do this too often because I don't like it. You can only smell this coming out. I mean, this machine really is something. I put in a little bit. I'm getting sprayed with. Like I said, I did about a half batch. Maybe a little bit more. To be honest with you, if I if I do 2-3 batches, it's up to the bottom of the kettle. It don't look like it. I guess the picture really don't do it justice that I'm doing right now. But turn it and put the dump right there. And where my salt is, I'd salt it right now. But anybody who's got kids knows that my little rec room down here, the kids pretty much run. And since I'm not going to be talking anymore right now, I'll just leave it at that. But like I said, there's it was mounted up in the corner. I just kind of broke it down. But yeah, like I said, it's it's pretty hot to the touch already down here with the coils that are up underneath this. And then the old maid's drawer that catches all the seeds that didn't go. Kind of kick it around a little bit, but like I said, it's a good little machine. And actually, some of the stuff, I don't know, Sam's Club, Walmart, you can probably order it if you got a Sam's Club by you. I use this stuff. It's Mighty Pop popcorn, popping oil. It's got a pump on. I pump it up, pump out. Oh gosh, I don't know exactly how much it is, but it's not a lot. It don't take. And then I also put this in with the oil when I pop. I think it's Flavacol. It's same stuff that, you know, I guess everybody puts on the you know, popcorn wings or whatnot. But and some of the other stuff I like doing for topping, if you like that theater flavor with the I don't know, the buttery oil, the really good flavor, you know, I actually pick up this. You know, it's Orville Redenbacher. It's popping and topping oil. I use that. Actually, I put it in the spray bottle, which is this spray bottle right here. And I just kind of give it a couple sprays over it, toss around a couple sprays, and it lasts quite a while. I see them just about out. Like I said, some of the other oils I have used for and this I had to order, is the Act 2. It's butter popping and topping oil. You can use this to pop, and you can use it to top. It's pretty good. It's a good machine. Really enjoy it. It's really fun to have around, especially parties, stuff like that. People get a kick out of it. It's great fun, and like I said, it'll look a lot prettier when I get done building my stand for it. I'll post a post a couple pictures of it. And like I said, it's all grinded down. Them are the marks you see now. Maybe I did a better, you know, pretty decent welding job, I like to think, on it anyway. It held together. I threw it down from a couple feet up, but like I said, it's right where I wanted it, all streamlined straight down, so it'll just be one big cabinet all the way down, painted red, and maybe just a little lip coming up over the edges of the popcorn machine. But for right now, like I said, it's sitting flush on there. So like I said, that's the Theater Popcorn Ford Theater. I believe the model number is TP-4. And like I said, I've had it for about a year, and it's definitely got my approval. I mean, it's not that I'm anything special, but like I said, it is a very good machine, and it's popped a lot of popcorn for me. I mean, all the parties, football get-togethers, different parties I throw throughout the year. It's there, and it's definitely a very, very good machine. I wouldn't complain about it one bit. And like I said, it is more the name brand ones out there, but it's I'd like to think it's one of the better ones of all the home popcorn machines you'd have. And I guess the Theater Pop 4 is actually a 4-ounce kettle, but it does put out quite a bit. 6-ounce, I think, would have been an overkill for me. So, all right, hope you enjoyed. And that's the Theater Pop 4, the TP4 model.